Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you get once you've leveled up to DG member level 56. So a lot has happened since the event, but I'm finally level 56. I'm just going to upgrade. It takes 40,000 coins. So we have the Farmhouse Firewood rag and also another premium hobby upgrade ticket. I'm not sure what to upgrade to yet because of the event, and I haven't seen any rainbow weather, so I'm not quite sure about that. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, upgrading members, around it takes around like 10 days. So if you want to know, it takes 10 days to upgrade just one level once you've reached a higher DG member level. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.